Welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and I want to say thanks to all our viewers and the subscribers for your continued support. This is the second in a two-part video where we talk to Michael aka Ras Praw, a herbalist and a farmer, about the healing powers of various Jamaican herbs. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be notified once we upload new videos. Now let's get into the video.
People, look on the slug now.
Yes.
Where you see people scan.
Yes, that's a snail.
It's snail, one in the shell.
Yes.
Most people in other country eat it.
Yes.
And you go say, slug nasty and this, slug not nasty, slug. If you check a slug, slug never eat nothing. You never see one slug that eat dirty things.
That's true. You always just see them
if
on
no
the tree.
fruit, tree them depend, then depend some plant. So anything them eat from the plant, that they observe in them.
Yes.
So people who do study, know say, you know say, a slug they can eat, a paper pie and eat.
Yes.
So me eat the slug, me get the same protein, nutrients from the same thing. So that's what make people eat certain things. You understand?
Yes.
So the slug now, the reason that when I'm a Chinese virgin, I tell me say them are sitting their food in a certain country.
Yes.
Because the slug now, anytime him eat done, you know. You're not going to see him around up and down. He always gone back in his shell. So he even come there now, if he even come and say something dirty, him not eat that. Because after he eat the fruit, he roll back himself in his shell and he did it until he hungry again and come out. You wouldn't know say slug have the most teeth.
Yeah?
Slug the amount of teeth slug have, you wouldn't believe.
Unbelievable.
True, you know see him so.
Yeah.
You know so much he eat down. If you put him in your tree, in a known time you see him done all what your papa, you say to yourself, say, no, this all look looks and look and do me plant.
Yeah.
The amount of teeth we have.
Wow.
I wouldn't believe.
I didn't know that.
So Chinese tell me, Chinese brother tell me, say, in a Chinese now, when them do them, they take them out, then cut them in middle of them.
Yes.
Because middle now in there, they call it in tribe.
Oh,
so they cut them,
yeah.
And then take out that part and put them on something and make them dry.
Right.
So when they dry now, then season them up and cook them.
Okay.
And people, I say right now, you know it's stuff like this, but other people take it for their food.
Yes, that's true. So now that we're on the matter of snail or slug, like you say, have you ever heard anything about slug or snail being good for asthma?
Well, you say that one is good too, for asthma.
Yeah, same thing you just described where you pull it out and dry it.
Yeah,
I've heard that before.
Yeah, I'm say good for it. Say good for it. So I will make you get some of the tumor, but me leave me mash it up so still. I forget.
Okay.
All this small things I can use a piece of stick and dig up.
All right. Up.
And I hear all one.
Over the other side where you show
I'll
us?
make you get one quarter of when you go.
Yes.
I first somebody will have it. The first person I will have it.
Wow.
You see it? So they're ready.
Yes.
To eat.
Thank you.
So you see, and believe so they fit up so fast. Because I tell my brethren, say, no, so I have some can, one bed of can, and then can pussy can soon eat. And I say, what is like now, how I stay now?
Yes.
As me tell you, say, I grow my old people, them, so my grandmother always plant can of February time.
Yes.
So I come in by June.
Okay.
Or by this month to June. So me ever plant if it have it. Most thing me just plant it for my own purpose. I know a farmer. You have your own food.
Yes, that is true.
You can't depend upon. That's why this government go on so. Because people them don't want to plant their own food.
Yeah.
Depend upon too much foreign food.
That's true. Like we talked about earlier, and then people start to get sick.
Yeah, they're sick. See papaya again, a different variety this.
Okay, from the other two that you showed us before.
It's a different variety.
Okay.
So I slug them always upon the evening time, evening time when the rain done now. You come now and take one stick and take them off. Because them left them a little.
Yeah, the black things on it.
Yeah, and sometimes me spray too.
Okay.
You look at insecticide.
Pesticide.
Pesticide and spray them off that, to
Yeah.
kill the plant.
Okay, okay. Okay, because if that is left there, it will kill the plant?
No, the slug them eat the plant when the
Eat
fruit
it. Okay.
when them grow. When them start, even if it turn, them always a eat it.
Oh, so you just spray a little pesticide to keep them away.
They slug
Okay,
them. Sometimes we carry this ashes out of the burnt tongue and throw it pan it, get away slug them.
Oh, that's the ashes out of the fireside?
Yeah, and
okay.
I come now and throw it on the root them. But like now, rain falls so often, if you throw the ashes, you just
wash away.
wash away.
Yes. Okay.
So we are go pass and now go show you some other plant.
Yes.
One
So
plant.
Ras Praw, so you have is this the same variety of the sweet potato that you showed us earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you
nice
have it planted throughout the farm?
Plant it right through, because mostly of them something them eat,
Yes.
They like potato and most vegetable.
Okay.
Me eat, me not say, with truth, me I don't know meaty person.
Right.
Yeah. The type of meat where me love, them me are mostly vegetable.
Okay,
If me meat where me love a common fall.
Okay, I see.
Because some people are going to say white fall, but me prefer common fall.
Yes.
Because how me do it now? Me don't go grow nobody. Me raise me common fall. Me use me corn, me plant me ripe banana,
Yes.
leftover food, me give them and me put them in my cube.
Oh.
A dog mash up the breed right there. So me plant say now me I go build back a cube now, put them in it.
Okay.
And when me put in it now, me grow them. And me grow them now way that they not go nowhere.
Yes.
Evening time I let them out and then just pick up. And then pick up them gone back in the coop.
So you don't give them any feed that you buy at the store?
Me just use corn. Sometimes I ripe banana.
Yes.
And me plant me corn and me give them me corn and thing.
Yes, and your leftover food, as you said.
leftover food and me go on my bush now and me jam me water grass. And throw in the coop, give them.
Yes.
And they eat that, pick that.
Okay.
And morning now, me come back now at evening, me give them some more water grass. No bother with no whole heap of try if you just live natural.
Yes.
This a plant now one next one.
Okay.
This one we call it
I know this.
You know this one?
I think so. It don't normally have a yellow.
Yeah. We call it sure.
Oh, they call it Thinking Mary.
Yeah, Mary plague. Mary plague.
Mary plague.
No Mary plague. Marigold. If you have a yellow
marigold.
in a top.
Oh, marigold.
Mary plague, no, me show you Mary plague.
Okay.
Mary plague I want to run like a string on the ground.
Okay,
and
okay.
If bees and flowers always, the flowers like bees always feed on that one. Like that one. And
okay. So what is this good for, Ras Praw?
This now, you can make bath, man. This can drink too. I look at my grandmother used to give you drink for cold, good medicine.
And when you say bath, what you mean?
I mean herbal bath.
Oh.
Means you just get some herbs and you get your water and you just go in it and after you put whatever, you just use it.
Bath the body?
And you bathe your body. So this now keep off itch off of your skin.
Oh,
and
okay.
give your skin a better look.
Yes.
You get me? But this now me plant you on my farm.
Oh, okay.
Because the grudgeful no love it.
Oh, grudgeful is an insect.
They eat up your vegetable them.
Okay.
Yes man, they eat up your vegetable.
Oh.
You know little insect them where the green bug. We call them grudgeful. You don't know how me attack. So me plant this on the farm. So when they some now want smell it.
Oh, they're gone.
Smell it.
Yeah.
They don't like the scent.
Yeah.
we see it so we call it Mary plague. No Mary plague, marigold.
Yeah.
See yellow upon it?
Yes, I see it up there.
So me use now when come I plant vegetable down here so. So when I plant the vegetable now, me come through now and juke them on the side. Go right up. Juke them on the side, go right up. So when we look them on the side now, when the Mary plague, when them come in now, you run like grudgeful them.
Yes.
That end up to take over my farm.
Yes, because you're grudgeful, damage
You
and
damage
eat
you,
down
you
everything.
yeah, eat your thing.
Okay.
I make you get one farmer. He just blighted it, man.
Yes.
Get a blighted look.
Okay.
So when you cut inside now, inside are green.
Yes.
And outside yellow. But them bite up here and sting it up. They sting it up, so when they sting it up now, you know good.
Okay.
Then do it bad. Sometimes I plant them too.
Okay, I see.
So this is one of dandelion, Jamaican dandelions.
Dandelion.
But this is one next year also.
Oh, yes.
So cheese. So I use the fruit off of it. This is fruit now when it dry. When it's dry,
Yes.
pick them off. And we pick them off and we beat them. Take them make tea. This is one farmer herbs are good for your prostate.
Oh. So you beat them like how you do coffee?
Coffee, yeah.
Okay.
They have more than one variety.
Yes.
But this one is the only one I know from
Okay.
small.
Okay.
Dandelion.
Yes.
So I always plant it. Because it's good for you, you see, if you're strained, it's good for you. It help
Okay.
you. Help process, kind of, you get rid of the sick.
Okay, what I mean by strain, just, you
Like
know.
you lift up something,
Yes, and it's too heavy.
and it's too heavy and it give you a strain.
Okay, okay.
You use it. And if you have if you say no, you like say you have, some people drink it too, you might feel like I say, you have one bad. For your strain, man, you just use it, man, you just pick off it and drink it, and it's good for your immune system. Don't think you build your immune system. Because from long time, from small boy until you become a man, we always have them.
Okay.
Grandma will water them, man.
Yes, yes.
Take them as coffee.
So is it good for high blood pressure as well? You know?
This is good for your immune system too.
Okay.
High blood pressure now, high blood pressure now, that are the one where most people sick with, you know, because I have a virgin. High blood pressure making get strokes for you know. Two of them, two
Two of your friends?
virgin.
Oh, wow.
They have high blood pressure. And that me right now, be frank, and me have to take over my farm and help him in my farm.
Yeah.
Because I'm a virgin, you know, he have a little in daughter, just one youth him have and have a little grandson. So he can't to manage. 2 years now he's sick.
Oh, wow.
And I have to do my farm and help him in a farm.
Yes, yes.
But he might come on, you know, but you know, 100.
Yes, I understand.
I know, say, but when we read up on high blood pressure, high blood pressure now, blood clot. When you get blood clot now, it stop the blood from flow
Properly.
So you have to use, you have to thin.
Use something to thin the
Thin out
blood.
your blood at all time.
Yes.
And you can't eat salt, no good.
Not too, no, right.
Sugar, no good. You understand?
Yes.
Most natural, you have to eat.
Yes.
You have to try to get rid of most the you call, you know, most of the fat, animal fat.
Yes.
You get me?
Not good for you. So it would be best if you cut out like the red meat and those things.
Red meat, and go fish. You go like can do fish.
And vegetables.
And vegetable. And fruits.
Yes.
Fruits no bad. And nuts and them something.
Okay.
But when you have them something, you have to just have a diet meal.
Yes.
At all times.
True.
To get normal.
To keep it at a level that is safe.
Normal.
Yeah.
So if you don't do that, I just touch over in a salt or touch not too much sugar. It gone up back.
Yes.
And
can result in a stroke, like you explained.
And you get back a stroke.
Yeah.
And some people, they don't check. Me go a doctor, you know. Although I know most herbs, me go a doctor too.
Yes.
Me go doctor, go check up on me blood pressure or whatever.
So even though you're using the herbs, it is still critical for you to do
Yeah,
your
you have to
monthly
beware.
or weekly checks or so of your pressure.
Because then say
Check
doctor human mechanic. So he may know say, well, you know your blood pressure good or your heart good or your liver or whatever. And end of the day you might have something with fault where you don't know neither.
Yes.
So you go still go doctor
And do your check.
have a system because when you reach ageable, you have to try to know your health.
Yes.
Your health system because health is wealth.
Yes, that's true.
Best wealth.
So you don't know if the dandelion is good for pressure.
Dandelion good for your immune system.
Okay.
And the leaf, when you drink this too, it
Okay.
help give your blood, purify your blood too. Help your blood system to flow better.
Okay.
When you drink this now, and when you go urinate, you find say where you pass, your urine no kind of got that yellow looking.
Yeah, it's
more
water.
clear.
Yeah.
You understand?
Understand.
Gives a clear look. So you know say it help the blood purify.
Okay.
Purify. Because more than one plant purify your blood.
Yes.
But we know it's good for your immune system. And this now, when I eat,
Oh, you eat the younger one?
I cook it with string bean.
Okay.
This good for when you cook it with string bean, it's good for you. It give you I said, you know. Because remember I want peas, you know.
Yeah, I was just about to say to you, it actually tastes like peas.
Peanut. It's like a young peanut.
Or nuts, like a young peanut in the red trash.
Yeah. So this now good. This help your prostate too.
Okay. That's good for prostate as well.
So sometimes you just eat, come through and you just pick all one out. If you have all say your stomach might gas, enteritis, means say your stomach will burn you then.
Oh.
You just pick it, this and eat all chief right. You don't know one time you forgot it.
You mean indigestion, like you have
injection,
indigestion.
You just eat it.
Yeah. And it's not so bad.
No, I'm not telling you.
It just tastes like peanut, like raw peanut.
Like a raw peanut,
Yeah.
But enough people don't know.
Yeah.
Then we think say it's good for hungry, boil and drink.
Yeah. It's really good.
Or leaf. These are this eat you can eat it just where cook it too. Steam it with your vegetable and eat it.
Because normally for me, I really don't like to eat things like this because I'm thinking that it's going to be bitter or so. But just eating this, it's not so bad. It really tastes like raw peanuts.
Yeah, but the bitterness is no good. The bitterness is good for your body.
Yeah.
It's help to cleanse you.
Yes.
You see it? So sometimes you just come to and eat a couple.
Yeah.
And I'm gone again. You understand?
I see the cameraman have a good feast off of the tree.
You have seed.
Yes.
You have seed, but it's tender.
Yeah, they're tender, it's soft.
So you eat it, you see, you look on the string bean now. You almost look like a string bean.
Yes. So you cut it up with the string bean you said earlier?
No, cut it up.
You just drop them in like this?
When you string beans so cook. So anyway, you cook easy too.
Yeah.
You just drop it in it and just make it do for 5 minutes or so, and then take off and eat it.
Okay.
And eat it. Good cleanse your body and build your immune system.
Yeah, and I imagine you wouldn't have to steam it for long because right now we're eating it and it's very soft already.
And you can eat it without even say you go steam it.
Yeah.
But it's good for your blood system and it's good for your prostate and the root right now me put in a roots.
Oh, okay.
You understand? The root right now me dig up the root, dry and put in a roots.
Okay. So how you get to dig up the root without damaging the whole plant?
No, me use one digging stick.
Okay, just to get a piece.
And when me digging out to a mention, me cut it halfway and then me mold it back. That's the tree not dead.
Okay,
You can't dig up the tree, you just say the tree, the root go run like a string. You just cut off a part like a little end. When you mold it up back now, the fibers grow back.
Okay.
The fibers them just itch again and grow.
Yes.
So you know say, well, alright. the chila dead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. And then again, any plant you see yellow,
Yes.
good for you.
Okay.
Yellow just like gungo and them plant, yellow.
Mm-hmm.
A
Mm-hmm.
good food, good thing.
Okay.
So sometimes me leaf, me just pick the leaf, put it down and me want to drink a cup of it, me just drink it.
Mm-hmm.
Said it and just use it. You see me I say?
So Ras Praw, when it comes to tea, you don't drink none of those things that like Milo and them something there. You don't. You just
No,
use
not like
everything from
Milo.
your
One thing
farm.
me love to drink. Me know, two things me drink.
Mm-hmm.
Me drink coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Me love my coffee.
Yes.
Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
And me use the tea bag.
Okay.
And when I use tea bag, mostly me put lime in it.
Oh.
See
Okay.
lime?
Mm-hmm.
Lime them. Just cut a lime,
Mm-hmm.
squeeze in it,
Mm-hmm.
and mix it.
Yes.
And drink it. And put up, no honey, me put 1 teaspoon of sugar, not much sugar.
Yes. And I imagine the chocolate you mentioned is the one that you have to grate.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Me have some in the farm, in the hills where me used to plant, me go carry out the sucker them, come plant them,
Mm-hmm.
on the edging, go right up back
Okay.
to the yard and over on the side.
Okay.
Because I like pine.
Yeah. So you plant a lot of them, but it's just one survive. So what you think cause the other ones not to survive?
I never much, you know. Me see one next tree me plant over there, but it not bear it.
Okay.
But me have some money, them the one they call sugar pine.
Oh, okay.
So see me, so one different variety, I don't know if I did it, tree I did.
Mm-hmm.
That one different variety of papaya.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
This is one next one, this one next plant again. This is one bad one for tea. Bad cold bush too.
Mm-hmm.
We call this one John Charles.
Okay.
Yeah, but John Charles.
You ever heard of this?
Yeah, this is what you call John Charles.
John Charles.
He good cold bush.
Okay.
Good herbs for cold too.
Yes.
And other use.
Yeah.
You can put this in a bath.
Okay.
So it smells strong.
Mm-hmm.
Put that
Okay.
in a bath too.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I just likely see it grow. But what you say now, I look on you know, trumpet tree, man.
Oh, you remember the name now? Trumpet tree.
Trumpet. It's trumpet then. Trumpet over here, son. Trumpet tree. They say, it's a part now, leaf up so good for high blood pressure. People drink it for high blood pressure too.
The young leaves.
Young leaf.
Like that red one we're looking
especially
at.
all this top leaf them.
Oh.
Good.
Yeah.
Trumpet tree.
And what's that on it? Is that a...
Is an insect or eat it down. So you eat out it. Insect or butterfly. At I went to him, I
Yeah.
turn butterfly. That.
Okay, okay.
See the one I tell you the name. So one I know, Mary plague we call this.
Oh, this is Mary plague.
They say good for kidney.
Good for kidney?
Kidney. So you leaf shape like how they say good for kidney. Sick with the kidney you can use it. And the dandelion now seed good for kidney purpose.
Okay.
So that remember. Dandelion. If you have bad kidney trouble.
Oh, it can help.
You see the dry one, you beat it and drink it.
Okay.
Help clear your kidney.
Okay.
Good for your kidney. And this one Mary plague. So one of them call this one. Call that one They call it tanpan rock. Some people call it chicken foot.
Oh, okay.
You hear about it?
No. I've seen the plant before,
This good for your,
but I've not heard
this
about
good for your
it.
stomach too.
Oh,
Stomach ache and clean your stomach.
yeah?
Call it tanpan rock.
So if you have indigestion, you can use that?
Can use this just drink.
Okay.
Yeah. But sometimes with herb now, you know, you see me, you tell them I pick herb, you see it, got fungus.
Oh, yeah. Because I was wondering, what are those? Oh, so this one have fungus on it.
So me no use drink, me no drink. You see fungus them?
Yeah, I see them.
So me wouldn't use this for drink. I the insect them. You see it? I the insect them get. So I them use, but me not use that.
Okay.
And this I know them call. This I wanna know. This I wanna know one way. We use quacker bush. See quacker bush now. Herb that we use and take off itch off of your skin.
Itch.
Like you want, you just use make bath.
Oh, yeah.
This and that you can put in a bath.
Okay.
So you get in one, you wash it off and put in your water and rub up in your water. And when you rub up in your water now, you just bathe in it. So
And this is called what again?
Man, that name John Charles.
John Charles. So you're saying the John
Some
Charles
people call
and
it
the
John Root or John Charles.
Okay, so the John Charles and the quacker bush can be used to make the bath for itching.
For itching.
Yeah.
Anything come on your skin. And you have one next tree again where you call him, where you can mix with the leaf. The leaf, he grow up also. Tambourine.
Tambourine tree.
You see them tree up also?
Yes.
We have a whole heap of, look like them
Yellow top?
yellow top and some kind of dry, look dry. Pure tambourine, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, when we are little youth now, say 10, 12 year old, and we take we run go up, they go pick them off and eat them. Pure tambourine tree, but them are the generation, you know, they not even have ideas for know.
Yes.
See, I want good something. So we eat the tambourine leaf, we use it boil. You see, first time in time, you're sick with something what they call measles. You use that, the tambourine leaf, and you burn the can.
Yeah.
You burn the can, soak in the water, put the tambourine leaf in it, and then my grandmother, you bathe in it.
Okay, and it goes for the measles.
And you know, dry off yourself. You make it soak deep on you.
Yeah.
Couple of days after that, you start do it. Couple weeks or so now. You just take down the measles.
Yeah.
Because it's an antibiotic too.
Yes.
If you get away with the something, take away the itch.
Yes.
Because you know, most time, them thing the measles take you through your blood. So if any blood come, it got in your blood now, it will bring up a pimple them, and your body turn red.
Yes.
And got some like bumpy on you. So you use that. Because first time people never have to run go to doctor.
No.
Every minute.
They use the herbs.
They use
and
the
stuff.
herbs as the natural resource to help sickness and drink and do whatever.
Yes.
To
That is
to
true.
your body. So
That is true.
so people go doctor, yes, but who have so much, who may have money, if you run go to doctor all the while. You have to have the thing where come down from your ancestors.
Yes.
Where you know see them, where you have to learn it from them.
That
means say when time you come, I don't know, you can learn it to your children, them, for them help as a farmer, will I say now, early, calling out the early doctorate then, or early thing,
Yes.
where I call it home remedy.
Yeah, so you're teaching them how to use the herbs, you know, to help themselves.
That the one, you know, I don't remember one the name, but goat love it.
Or the goats eat it.
And rabbit.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't remember the name of one.
Yeah.
But this one now we call it red top.
Okay. Oh,
This
this is red top.
I want cold bush that too.
Oh, yes, I've seen this before.
Yeah, that good for drink.
Okay.
Just for cold medicine said we. No remember one, but you know rabbit love this. Rabbit love
So
this.
that's the red top.
And this I know I want next dandelion.
Yeah?
Different form of dandelion this.
So it's different from the red top?
Yeah, look
Oh,
on
yeah,
it.
even though they look similar.
That's why
Okay.
you have to know the herbs them different.
Yes.
Because so it's saying look, you
Yes.
might go jar this and things say look like this, but look on the leaf.
Yes.
And look on the oil purple look. This is our next form of dandelion.
So that's like red, and this is
This are pink. Yeah, this are white, bloom white. So this is our next dandelion again. Where you drink to. You understand? Immune system, blood cleanser. This is a cold bush said way. If you get out any farm of cold, like that, you have cold, you just first time we drink.
Yes.
Grandmother boil drink, give if you drink, you understand? So This and our next farmer, you see, look different. You understand?
Yes.
So we always drink this. More than one type of dandelion, you know. You understand?
Okay,
So
okay.
you have the one that grow up on the tree and you have the plant. You just
Oh.
jump and use said.
Okay.
All of them herbs I show you.
Yes.
I have the book. I have a book where they called Back to Eden.
Back to Eden?
You know where you bought that book there?
Yes,
Well,
think I have.
yeah,
Yes.
them book them I study out of.
Mm-hmm.
And I have one next one again where you basically read up on the plant them said there.
Okay. So you get some more knowledge from the book.
Yeah, book.
And then the rest of knowledge from your grandmother growing up.
Yeah, and you go do your research.
Yes.
So when you just say, oh, I know that. And if I see one herbs, I don't go and see it more 1 or 2 times. I just knowledge and say, no, say a herb and name, so
Yes.
whatever. And if I look on YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
and I find it, I go look for it and say, all right,
Yes.
I eat this. You understand?
Yes.
So, we go across now, see the, we go across now, I'm going to show you one plant where they call a plant the name, I have a plant where I want to show you name, ringworm herbs.
Okay.
Ringworm, we call it ringworm bush, but it's a herb, you know, good herb, good for gallstone.
Oh,
That
okay.
gallstone will help you.
Mm-hmm.
And I want great herb.
Yes,
You go
yes.
across, you go overside there.
Okay, so we're going to look on the one there now.
I'm going to show you one next one again. This I want nursery I sow for make that just a nursery, a pepper nursery.
Okay. What type of pepper is it?
Sweet
pepper?
pepper.
Okay.
See sweet pepper tree. See sweet pepper nursery.
Oh, okay.
So I just sow it right there. So I want
Yes.
to plant it by mountain.
Okay.
Next not June, but tree me just sow it recently just a hatch up. And this a nursery now a tomato.
Okay.
So me like plant it in the spring.
Yes.
So when you plant in the spring, when the summer come now, your price go up and
Yes.
it's better because that's how it come.
Okay, okay. So you're very strategic, Ras Praw, about when you plant certain things.
Yeah. You have to have a idea how. Because now
Okay.
you have to work off of the season. You work off of you know, you have winter, you have spring, you have summer.
Yes.
So you have to plant to reach certain level.
Yes.
Means it's easier for you when you plant them at time.
Yes.
You plant in the spring, you reap in the summer.
Okay.
So when the summer come, you have a dry period.
Yes.
When the dry period come, you plant before when in the rain. So when the dry period come now, you can start reap. Because when the time dry, harder to plant because you got less water.
Yes, true. True.
So you have to plant when the rain fall. All of them planting them. I'm farming, you know. Planting them, go right back down.
Yes,
And I
yes.
see next month now, we'll plant some more. This month,
Yes.
we'll start plant some more in this section. I'm going to weed up also now.
Oh.
And plant the pepper, chew it, and hot pepper. Go do hot pepper, go down. And plant gungo on the side, go down.
Yes.
Said way.
You love your farming though, Ras Praw?
Right, me go up and.
Yeah, so I see.
And them are the cane we plant. My cane now, I reap up now, so I go weed out the root them now. And got them for next year.
Okay,
So from
okay.
here, so now go down, I pay planting, go down. Young one. Them are the young one we plant recently.
Yes.
Plant them last year, November.
Okay.
Because I have to plant, replant and replant.
The plantings.
And
Okay.
I plant the cocoa them.
Oh, you plant cocoa too?
So I'm going to plant the rest of cocoa next month.
Yes.
Because I don't plant cocoa in this month. I plant in June and July. Where it bear better.
Yes. So you plant all these things, Ras Praw. So how you get sale for them?
Yeah, you know what I say? I have one of my brothers come by every week, you know.
Oh,
Selling
oh.
planting.
To go to the market?
Come by
Okay.
every week. And
Okay.
sometimes me plant, me sell myself too.
Yes, yes. So you don't worry about the market
no,
for
I'm
it?
more planting me want plant.
Yes.
Because me have one next farm. On the outside, I have one next farm. Me have one next farm over the next part of herbs bush too.
Okay, okay. Yes. So Ras Praw, you know, in terms of your knowledge of herbs and the fact that you do the roots as well, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, how can they reach you?
Well, you have to take my number. See
All
what
right.
I'm tell you about.
Okay.
You have my number.
Yeah, I have your number.
Seed name, Tanpan Rocky grow seed.
Tanpan Rock.
Call it chicken.
Oh, this is the one you showed us, and that one had on the insect.
Yeah, this is we call this a coat. When we look at youth, we call it no, a sign name. So many grow no chicken food. And you grow see look at something them. So you
The
see it?
seeds,
So
yes.
bird it has a bird eat it.
Okay,
So
and this is the one that says good for the indigestion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tanpan rock and
Tanpan
chicken
rock.
foot. You can just carry this alone.
Yeah.
I like all this a seed.
Yeah. Okay.
And you use it for injection. Or you have them thing there. So yes, so now when I go really plant up back. But it's like it's true me have more than one farmer do. And as me tell you, me have a virgin where I have to help to cause through him got he sick with he got the stroke. He can't work.
Yes.
So me have to go and deal with him thing.
Yes.
Me I plant one next thing now, but it just a come up.
Okay, okay.
It did go down. See me just a come up with it now. This I want leafy plant, leafy vegetable. Sure. You know I wanna?
Leafy vegetable. It looks like, is it
It run pan tree.
spinach?
Spinach.
Yay, spinach.
Real spinach in them. So you see there, you can just
So
bring, you can plant that.
So these are the seeds of the
Spinach.
Really?
And you see that now?
And you plant these just like they look
Just
right
put it
now?
down, make it make it dry.
Quail a bit.
Around say 5 days. You put it down for a week and then you just juke it.
Oh,
and
okay.
you see spinach now? You see seed? Me use the seed make see what me give you? When you come up enough, I mean enough seed, me blend it. Like and you give a purple looking drink. This one now I want like this are good for your stomach too and it good for high blood pressure.
Okay.
Spinach juice like good for high blood pressure.
The juice of it, so you just blend it and make like a green juice.
Yeah, green juice.
Yes.
And you eat the leaf them. Me cook the leaf them. When I cook the leaf, me cook it with the bush cabbage. But me don't put it in at the same time.
Right, because it cook easily.
Easy to cook. When the cabbage almost cook, me just add it to it. I have one cabbage, me add it with it. And just use it.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
me the man, as me tell you, me eat most vegetable and fruit. Me and cane and them something.
Okay.
That's my thing.
Yes.
And me planting and me banana.
Yes.
Me plant yam in a sense, but you know say you have a mixture.
Yes.
A plant, you see papaya, you know.
Yes.
That one you know I want different variety too. You see me, but then sweet.
Yes. Okay.
And see have the
Soursop.
Soursop.
Yes. Soursop tree.
Use the leaf them. And use the bark after it put in the roots.
Oh,
So
okay.
and this now, this is one good thing if you drink.
Guava.
Guava leaf.
Guava leaf.
Guava leaf good. It good. It's an antibiotic too.
Okay.
And if your belly hurt you, you just use the bud and just chop it and swallow it. And no time it stop.
Yes.
And ginger too. If your belly hurt you, you just take a piece of ginger, chop it and swallow it.
Yes.
And in no time you wouldn't believe say it gone so far, the pain just left.
Yes, yes.
So go walk us now. Go up a yard and go back out and I'm going to show you the next herbs then. A whole heap of farmer herbs, man. I have whole heap of herbs because see the herbs that I now tell you about. But I don't know if you go, maybe when I go out some maybe see it.
Okay.
Two sides of them now. You have one, next one. This one now the guinea hen.
Oh, guinea hen weed.
It's a guinea hen. It's a good feed. It's a good one. You see one of me give you? You see guinea hen now?
Yes.
You use this I want farmer you can use as the people them have not in it at all time. Sinus herbs.
It's good for sinus.
Yeah, you see this now? Go over, sit down. Oh, dog, you know.
Wow, it's a very strong plant though, Ras Praw.
Strong one, strong.
Yeah.
You just use this now. You go to one shop. You go to this pharmacy or whatever. Go here, go lie down. Go back out. Move! I pay dog here, you know, man. I work with them. So it's a Guinean plant now. Just don't play them now, man. Because you play them now, go. Come on, don't play them now, man. Go and go lie down. You right here?
Stop.
I'll tell you about the Guinean now.
Yes.
See Guinean root? You just cut off yourself. Wash it off and beat it up.
Yeah.
Put it in one buckle. And he said when I give you the name Boch or Madam Faith,
Yes.
put it apart at night. Even a little tree.
Yes.
And you wash it off and put it in one buckle. And you go to the shop and the Chinese them sell the one what they call camphor. Camphor black, it's square one them.
Yes.
Now the one them where round, one round you put in a clothes, it's square one them.
Yes.
You put this up on it, you buy a black kite and you throw it on it. Throw a rum on it with the that now and put it down.
With the barge.
Yeah, anytime you feel like I say, you come in at evening time and you wet up, you just use it and make an inhaler.
Oh.
So you see anytime you feel say you got a cold that got affect you,
Yes.
you just use it now and take it and it help. It help. As me tell you, you know, you know, go get rid of everything, you know, but
Yes.
it go help you.
Yes.
Feel, it go help you that you feel more comfortable.
Yes. So it's good for the sinus too.
Good for the sinus.
Okay, okay.
This good for sinus.
Yes.
And this are good for cancer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cancer.
Use it in the same way or use
Drink
it in a
it.
different way?
Drink it.
Also boil the guinea hen weed and drink it like tea.
Good
Okay.
for cancer. And then again, if you drink them and sitting cancer, no have to come out your way.
That is true.
You understand? It
Yes.
go help
Offset it.
yeah,
Prevent it.
Prevent it. I get a prevention. You understand? So as I said,
Okay.
so you just use this and you notice with doctor business, doctor, if you even go to a doctor for a complaint, you don't get rid of it long in a one go.
No.
You have to go take time
Yes, and get the treatment over
and
a
get the
period of
treatment.
time.
So call me, I tell you, say me hand that hurt me. And I said something, they just lick it on me. I said, no.
Yes.
The pain in my hand and I know say I'm going to take all some antibiotic, like some pill. Now it go still go now work.
Yes. Okay. So this is another dandelion
Yeah,
tree.
yes, me just plant them.
Yeah. So you have a lot of them throughout the
Yeah, me just
farm.
plant them through the farm and thing.
Yes.
You can comb this too.
Yeah. Thank you.
So we do the next one, put it in a bag.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ras Praw, thank you so much. We really appreciate you sharing
I
so
mean,
much knowledge with us.
Yeah, I have one next tree down here, so now I'm going to look if I find it.
Okay.
So one of them call it strong back too. See if you, this is one I want to put in a roots.
This one me know.
Alright. This is one strong back.
Oh, it's a running plant.
This is the running one.
Yeah.
This is how I have to put in a roots. Ever put this in my roots, because this is good. And you can just boil it like you come in. You just boil it with one next herbs. Just boil it with all the something the leaf. Can boil it with the soursop leaf.
Yeah? Okay.
And you can just make it dry and you boil it alone.
Oh.
And this one you know. We call this a strong back.
Okay.
And this one again, this one next one we always are used to. Shame old lady. And call it old lady plant. This one you know.
Shame maca sometime. Okay.
This can drink too.
Oh.
Put this in our roots too.
Yeah. But what is it good for?
This now good for you, for mostly like joint sickness too. Like your backache can be good for if you like you have a sprain too.
Okay,
you can soak it and use the rubber.
Yeah, soak it the same way with the rum and so on. Oh, okay. Okay.
See they grow up, eh? Grow, see the strong back them. Grow up, so. And this one, as Miller tell you, this one you can plant this at your home.
Yeah.
Gram growth dash along. So them seed. So then you just juke it like a rain or fall.
Okay.
You just grow. See one next plant. Good herbs, man. Good herbs that. I have one herbs but the tree dry down, but I make you know about it too. I want to so see it here. I ain't sitting here but a cycle. Oh, where's a farm now? I'll clean up the back of the plant, sorry. I'll clean up the back of the plant, sorry.
Oh, so we are going up the hill now?
Huh?
Oh, you're showing us?
Yes,
Okay.
Line up. This is one great herb. Fungus. A fungus in your head.
Good for fungus.
This is our name? Ringworm.
Oh.
Herbs.
Okay.
If you have fungus in your head, use it and rub it.
Okay, so it's good for dandruff too?
And it's good for, me I tell you, it's good for gallstone.
Oh, okay.
Like you have an inside gallstone in your body to drink it. And
boil it like tea, same way.
And pass out it.
Okay.
And you see that. See that good too.
Okay.
But you see, chew seed up now, I'll cut them down and make them grow back.
Yeah.
But this is one good herb. All of them, they have other name, you know. But we just call it the hard name. Ringworm bush. Yeah,
okay.
You don't really remember the name.
Right.
It's not back to you then.
Yes.
Then you can give all one herb, then give all 3 different names.
Yes.
Then do it in a Spanish, then do it in a English. And then we do it in a French or whatever.
Okay.
And language.
Okay, so and of course, you know, we have a local Jamaican name, so we give the plants
so
sometimes.
We call it, as I say, ringworm.
Ringworm. Ringworm
if you have
bush.
One itch on your body, you just like just put a water and just rub your white.
Okay, so if you want to use it for the ringworm or the dandruff, you boil it or you just rub it?
Boil it, man. You just rub it in your ear.
Just rub it in there.
Just put a little bit of water on it that you can have a
little liquid to it.
Become a liquid and you just use it up on your skin.
Yes.
And if you have dandruff in your ear or no dandruff, fungus.
Fungus.
You know, say people feel like you have first time youth, or some youth to have, but then call it fungus, man. I want youth.
A dry scalp and those things.
Yeah, you use it and rub it.
Okay.
And it eventually take out the dandruff, the bacteria.
Yes.
And most of them something that bacteria, fungus. You know? And see me have one tree down, say me have mint. Now go for 2 pieces again.
Alright.
You plant every little thing for one purpose, you know?
Yes.
And for others people too.
Yeah. Okay, so Ras Praw gone down into the bush and look some mint for us to show us. In the meantime, we will place his number in the description. So anybody wanting to get in touch with Ras Praw for roots or herbs or, you know, advice on different things, you can reach him at that number. Continue to watch and thank you so much for your continued support of the channel, Likkle Everyting Jamaican.
Them pepper must be food with them, you know.
Yeah?
They're hot.
Wow.
They're hot till. Burn you like wow. Put too much in your pot.
Oh my God.
All the one we kind of fade. Give me back one when it look like.
Okay.
We use them when if you make nursery.
Yeah.
Them are one I know.
So
Because-
one here with this stem,
yeah.
this one.
Them are
Alright.
hot, you know.
Yeah.
Them are name cayenne.
It's
pepper.
cayenne pepper.
These are the one where they use cayenne that. Purple looking one.
Oh. Yeah. Wow. So you said them really hot.
Yeah, you can't put much in it, but it have a good flavor.
Yeah.
It's seasoned good.
Yeah. And this is the mint now.
So I mint now. You see you go, no, I miss something. You don't know if your hand good. Or you catch mint, you know, you use the bud. So when you go home now,
Yes.
you just broke off yourself.
Yes.
Tap bud yourself and get one little thing
Yeah.
and just cut up some earth and just juke in it.
Okay,
And
okay.
you get one plant.
Yeah.
And you use some manure like cow dung or something.
Okay.
Put it on it. And
Okay.
water it until you catch.
Lovely.
But you know catch by your man, just the
Yeah,
top height.
the top part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top then catch it by.
Okay, okay. All right.
Yeah, so
Ras Praw.
we're glad for me to still and
Yeah.
no.
A pleasure to meet you as well.
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
say. Although me have enough more herbs where not even
Yeah, we learned a lot. We learned a lot. We did
Yeah.
learn a lot. You share a lot of knowledge, and we are appreciative of that.
Yeah.
You know, we hope persons watching, if they have any ailments, you know, based on the advice and what you shared, they can, you know, get some help from that.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, enough knowledge, Ras Praw.
Because you see, in Jamaica we have all of the good herbs, you know. And we know doctor good important still, but at the end of the day, you have to have your home remedy.
Yes, that's true.
Because if you don't have your home remedy, time you reach a doctor, sometimes you end up dead.
Yes, that's true. So you want something to help you until you reach there. Yes.
And sometimes again, you go to the doctor and it still not work. Because herb, you see herb now, it cleanse all sickness. Because from the days, as me say, before BC, 500 people are use certain herbs.
Yes.
And you know, say, when it come from Egyptian, what I call Egyptian philosophy, until we reach them at levels. I said herbs, garlics, all of them there. Garlic, best if you take garlics, have you just cut up it and swallow it.
Yeah, take it like pill.
Like pill. And it go in your system and help you.
Yes.
You understand? Some people chew it, but we have
it's harsh.
a harsh taste people. But when you cut it up, clove it and swallow it and drink some water, that's good.
So anybody can do this. Yeah, because I know persons mostly with blood pressure,
And
you'll
that
see
good
them
for-
taking it.
Yeah, and it's good for high blood pressure.
Yeah.
So you see that now help for blood circulation. As me say, blood pressure. Most people are when you have clot, your blood clot. That means say your blood now flow right.
Yes.
So like I say, like you have a stream around and you come and you just lump up.
Yeah.
So when you lump up now, you come and have a blockage. So you when your blood come and on your blockage, it will have a hard way if you push it.
Yes, and that's when you have the stroke.
That means so that now stop your blood from circulate. So you go in your head and you get a stroke. Because your nerves, two more important parts of your body are your nerves and your brain.
Yes.
So anything your nerves can't manage, you go to your brain. If your brain can't manage, you stop it.
Yes.
And then the day, you get sick.
Yes.
So high blood pressure. Meaning say your blood now flow right. So you have to make your blood clean and flow clean at all time. Because all disease where human body consume, it go through your blood.
Yes, and you mentioned that earlier because you say, you know, even in talking about the different herbs and the roots and so on, everything that you talk about, you mentioned how important they are in terms of your blood purification and, you know, just cleansing your blood, because through your blood, you say we can get sickness, different illnesses start to show.
Come to your blood.
Yes, so it's good to keep the blood cleansed.
Yeah, cleansed. So the more you keep your blood clean, longer health.
Yes.
And better levity.
Yeah, man, they are longer and you live healthier.
Yeah, healthier.
Yes.
And so you have to make your food be your medicine, your medicines be your food. You
Well said.
Yeah, so if you eat more natural food, you look better and you live longer.
Yes, and you're more
And
productive
you're
and
more
you're more
productive and you're more
energized.
energized and you're more stronger.
Yes, that's
But when
true.
you depend on artificial food, that now go be nothing for big, you know. It just give a process and say, bloat you up, make you look
That's
big.
true. Yes.
And a man say, fat and thing. But at the end of the day, looks is deceiving.
Yes.
Because most time people put only the best outside.
Yeah.
But in them, the burning
True.
infestation, the
True.
burning system, you know, you know. You don't look good, you don't even know how purifying body is. So you have to use a natural thing. And then you visit a doctor. If your doctor give you a checkup and say, well, you know, say you're healthy and that you need to get. So if you give something like a thing as medicine, you take it too.
Yes.
But you mustn't take your medicine with the doctor you and your herbs same time.
Right.
It will go bring a, you know,
it's conflicting.
Yeah, conflicting. So you have to you know, say, all right, doctor, give me something, me take it for 3-4 months or 3-4 weeks.
Yeah.
Then me say, all right, now go ease off and drink my herbs.
Yes.
For purpose when me sick of. You understand? So
Yes.
it don't make sense. A man go say you count out doctor. You can't count out doctor. Because them are the human.
Yeah.
Them are the human structure. Them go at them thing and them learn them philosophy about it and them understand. So your body need to always cleanse and you eat the right food to keep your body strong and healthy.
So in other words,
a longer life.
So in other words, you're saying that you need a balance between your doctor and the herbs.
Yeah.
So you don't rule out going to the doctor.
No, you can't rule out
right.
that. Most people that say them are rule out it, but you don't know.
Yeah.
Because you can consume something in your body and you not even know. At the same time, not everybody know what to go drink.
That is true.
And everybody know what to go take. If take away pain or whatever.
Yeah.
So you have to check your doctor. And your doctor say, oh, so it's okay, you go to the doctor and the doctor still not work. I'm going to try this then.
Yeah.
You know, you try it. And you eventually get a result. So you just say, all right, now I'm going to work with this. But if the doctor come and say, well, boy, you're sick with this, you know. So you have to go good. Because nowadays, you know, see how much money people charge.
Yeah, man.
Or when you not have 100, a man will go say, all right, you know, say I have to go do an operation and I have to go up on the machine that costs a lot of money. Because if you don't have the money, you're going to end up dead.
Yeah.
But maybe if you know a little thing, you could have worked on it until the time come now you can't go through. And you must make when you're sick, you go to a doctor. That's not it. Because you can't control, got to consume something. If you be just go to a doctor in time, the doctor will help you.
Yeah, so you're saying to do periodical checkups, check up now and again and see if you're okay.
If I say 4 to 3, every 3 months, every 4 months or so. Or even 2 times a year, you have to see a doctor.
Yes,
because my doctor said that.
Yes, good advice.
So you know, say, I will say, them are the human mechanic.
Yeah. Well, Ras Praw, thank you again so much.
Yeah, I'm glad for your moment.
Yeah, man. Happy to meet you as well, you know. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
You know.
Cool,
and we hope to talk to you again some other time because like you tell us earlier, you have a whole heap more herbs that we have not yet touched.
Whole heap of herbs.
Yes.
You have one we make all roots that them are we not give them are just natural thing we drink. Herb we make roots are different thing.
Yeah. So
I have raw moon. You have when we put in a herb, that's one different tree.
Yeah.
You have soursop bark, you have dog tongue, you have cow tongue, other herbs, you understand?
Yes. So we definitely will see you again.
And you have a tree them where we use said way.
Yeah.
You see all that too. The tree that we call.
Oh, that broadleaf tree there?
We just call it over the
trumpet.
Trumpet. I said tree. We use the bark of it too.
Okay.
Call them a natural herb when the book section so you can use it. And all the twig off it. It's for a purpose. Because a medicine tree them. So you have to know all the tree and the purpose them when you
okay.
And you have to use the things where you know so when you do your roots, you know, give no body effect.
Yeah, you don't have no side effect.
No side effect,
All right, Ras Praw. Enough respect, man.
I hope to meet you again here.
Yeah, man. All right, good.